What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're checking out 4 beaches in Sihanoukville for a one-day teacher daycation. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find without sea. Meet people, live food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, so I've made it to the beach. Basically this week I had one day off, which was today, and I wanted to show if you only had one day off and a limited amount of money, you could still have a one-day adventure. And I'm going to show you all the beaches you could come visit in Sihanoukville. The bus ride's only like $10, $12 each way. You could come have an adventure in Sihanoukville. I'm going to show you what that looks like. It's pretty beautiful with all the boats, and then that's the big characteristic of this big overpass. There's people here with fruit or ice cream and getting ice cream. So we'll keep working our way across here and see what else they've got at this beach. Then after we can compare it to the next few beaches. See, they've got some food here. They probably like whip up a instant noodle and then they put this kind of stuff. You could choose what kind of meat you want or what you want them to add to your soup. This is like dried up squid. So it looks like these guys are bringing supplies. They gotta take it by boat, probably to the island or something. Here comes some deals on wheels. So it looks like corn. There's actually a sign right behind me here. I'll show you that it says no swimming. This is more of a beach to like hang out, have some drinks, look at the water, but you're not supposed to go swimming, I don't think. Hey, YouTube. Yeah, everybody's really friendly, usually. So they come here, it's not so much for swimming, but it's like for hanging out and having a picnic, which they're doing right here behind me, you can see. Yeah, all these beaches, they kind of all go one after the other along the same shore. And we're going, basically, if you're looking at a map, we're going from left to right along all of them. So this was Hawaii Beach, and then next along the line, Independence Beach, I think. Alright, so I've made it to the second beach now. This is Independence Beach. It's really cool. It looks a little different since I've been here about 2 years ago. It's extremely windy today, so I might have to replace some of the sound. Alright, so let's go out on that pier and take a look back at the beach, see what it looks like from out there. Boat in. It's kind of neat. They've got little restaurants and places to sit down that face right onto the shore. You can get food or drinks, and I've been seeing a lot of squid. Wow. All right, so we're at the third beach. I can't really pronounce it. I'll put the name of it here. Ochheuteal or something. And I've been here 2 years ago, and you can see behind me all these little buildings. They're like little restaurants, and they all have a patio facing the ocean, and I was talking about that. And it's lunchtime now. I'm ready to get some food, but it looks like barren and all abandoned and closed down, like maybe since 2 years ago it went down the tubes. Show you what I mean. It could be because it's Sunday today. So just like there's this little hut, there's like another one, another one, another one, another one. There's like 6 or 7 of these small restaurants all along to the left there. And you can see they all have patios out here. But it's a deserted wasteland. I bet in the evening or on better days of the week, this place is probably hopping. Look at all the cranes there. I don't know if you can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7 cranes. 8 cranes. So they're still building up everything. Sorry about the wind. You have to just use your imagination a little bit, as if all these places were open and there's lots of people here. Oh, I see more. There's some people up ahead. Maybe I can get food over there. Anor Beach Club. So it's gone a little downhill since I've been here last with that big dead area, but it's still happening. You can come here with a big group of friends and get food and drinks and enjoy the sounds of the waves crashing in. And if you want to jump in, you're only a few steps away from the ocean. So this is a great beach. Just maybe if you come on too early on a Sunday, it might be a little more dead like how it is right now. Alright, so I've made it to the last beach. This is Otres Beach. This is popular. A lot of people talk about this one. I think in the past, this has a history of being a really popular beach, and I think there used to be a lot of guest houses close to here, so people who have been in Cambodia a long time or have been coming for a while, they usually hear them talking about this beach a lot. There's like lots and lots of space. So if you sit there, they'll come around and offer you stuff like drinks or little munchies they have here. Squid and eggplants and stuff like that. So I've shown you 4 beaches now that you could easily get to. You know, $10 bus ride, and then it's probably like a $2 tuk-tuk to any of these beaches. My phone's running out of batteries, and my camera's running out of batteries, and I'm running out of batteries, and my legs hurt. I probably walked like 5 kilometers today or something. All right, so that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed seeing what a few of the beaches here look like, and until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
Life is tall.